lot of blueberries, spinach, peaches, and pineapple. Yum. So that's how much I have. This is what I'm gonna drink, and maybe some of that. And this is gonna be snack later. Alright, so yeah, looks good, guys. So let's try this. So mega love shout out everyone, this is me, vegan girl, and I know it's been a while I haven't had a video because I've been really busy, but today is my 5th day of going to the gym consistently and of course eating really clean. So today this is my breakfast. This has half of a pineapple and of course this one as well, a lot of blueberries, lots of spinach, that's why it's so green, and peaches. So yes, and protein powder, but plant-based protein powder. So cheers you guys, let's give this a try. So good. I know it's green, but you can actually taste the pineapples and peaches in here. It tastes really good, so yummy. So this is going to be breakfast for me, this two right here, and this is going to be snack later, maybe a dinner for this one, I don't know, but it will depend on my appetite later. But yes, I have this challenge with my best friend that we are going to lose some weight until December. So we started working out consistently and of course eating clean. I mean, clean is healthy. Lots of greens, lots of fruits and vegetables, especially berries and greens. So yes, I hope you guys will give this a try. It's not really pretty. Oh, I just noticed it color is the same with my clothes. Not pretty, but so good for me actually. I love the green. Green is good, healthy. So yes, I am hoping, I think I saw a spinach here. I'm hoping to lose that 20 pounds that I've gained during the pandemic. I mean, it's still pandemic, but yes, I'm trying to lose that 20 pounds that I have gained. And I know I can do it if I am consistent, so hopefully you guys will cheer me on. So yes, 20 pounds is a lot to gain, and I've been eating so much, but hopefully this will help. Of course, the key there is consistency, of course, every day, and eating healthy. So cheers, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And of course, I want to thank all my members and all my friends that are very supportive. Thank you guys very much. And Team Gapangan, Team Revenue, thank you so much for the support. So yes, take care you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. I love you all. Bye bye. Green smoothie for breakfast, you guys. Stay healthy, everyone. This is me, the vegan girl. Shout out, everyone.